What's going on again, guys? My next knife review will be on the Cold Steel Micro Shinobu. So this one, I got it at the flea market way back in the day, back in 2003, so I decided to do another good review on this, and my favorite everyday carry and utility. Alright, so here's my next review again, so why not? I decided to do another good review on my favorite everyday carry. So this one, I got it at the flea market, back in the early days. So, Cold Steel Micro Shinobu, that's what it is. And yeah, one of Cold Steel's, earlier knives. And I didn't know what this was at first until I saw the label. So, this is just your average manual folding. Just opens like this. That's it. That's all there is to it. Just a average folding knife like that. Yeah, this is very small, compact. So, I have this in my wallet when I'm out and about. And the best thing about this, it's built to last. And yeah, one of my oldest folding knives right here for over 20 years. So 2003, that's where I got this at the flea market for, I think, like for $5. It's been so long, but I've had this for a very long time. There you go, just a manual folding like that. It's yeah, very small, compact. So I think this will be like my third or fourth video will be done on this. So I decided to do a good review once again. Yeah, I have to say, this thing is more than like 20 years old. I mean, I've had this for a long time. Yeah, it just opens like that. Yeah, well made. Yeah, very solid. Yeah, compact like that. Alright, so yeah, just opens like this. Yeah, my favorite everyday carry and utility. And right there it says Cold Steel and Samurai right there. That's good. And it's very dull because it's that old. Yeah, just like that. Alright, so recommendations on this one. If you're planning on getting this, you can probably find one on eBay for a decent price. That's where I found lots of them, but these are discontinued and yeah, these are discontinued, so you can't get these anywhere online, but you can get it on eBay for a decent price. And yeah, this thing is very small. So this thing has been sitting in my dresser for a long time, so I took it, and now it's my favorite everyday carry and utility. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, I mean, this thing is very small. Yeah, I have this in my wallet. Yeah, just like that. So yeah, I decided to do a good review on this one. In my last video, I was a bit fidgety, but now I just want to do another proper review on this. Yeah, just like that. One of my favorite, my favorite EDC right here. And yeah, one of Cold Steel's, again, Forgotten Knives, if you want to know what this is. Yeah, just like that. Alright, so up close one more time. Yeah, I mean, this thing is very small. Fits nice in the hand, so I have this in my wallet. There you go, that's all there is to it, just your ordinary manual folder. Yeah, this is Cold Steel's, like, I think Forgotten Knives right here. There you go, Cold Steel and Sanmai, that's good. And just like that. Alright, so one last time right here. Yeah, my favorite, again, my favorite everyday carry. Yeah, the best thing about this is built to last. Even like over 20 years old. Yeah, just like. And there you go. Nothing too special about this. Just average manual folding. There you go. It's very small, easy to use. Alright, one last time again. And there you go. I gave you a good review on the Cold Steel Micro Shinobu, my favorite everyday carry. So I decided to do another good, decent review on this from last year. So if you come across this, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.